Imagine your credit card interest rate dropping to just 10%. A new proposal aims to make that a reality, at least for 1 year. Announced recently, this plan would cap credit card interest rates at 10%, starting on January 20th. 2026. This is a huge drop from the current average, which sits somewhere between 22 and 24%. The idea is framed as a way to protect consumers from what are being called rip-off high rates. It's positioned as direct relief for families struggling with high living costs, with the average household carrying thousands in credit card debt. A cap like this could mean significant savings for millions of people. The one-year limit is also interesting, especially with the 2026 midterm elections on the horizon. What do you think about this proposal? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Ever gotten hit with a credit card late fee and thought, seriously, $34 for being 1 day late? Well, you're not alone, and Congress is taking notice. There's a big push happening right now to cap those annoying fees. It's potentially saving American families billions of dollars a year. The idea is to limit late fees to just $8, a huge drop from the current average. But, as you can imagine, the big banks are not happy about this. Giants like JPMorgan Chase, Capital One, and Bank of America are fighting back hard. They're warning that if this passes, they might have to tighten credit, raise other fees, or even cut back on those reward points we all love. It's a classic battle: consumer protection versus banking profits. Who do you think will win this fight? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this story. Did you hear the news? The US government is proposing a major shakeup for credit card late fees, and the big banks are not happy. Right now, you could be paying up to $41 if you miss a payment. The new plan? Cap that fee at just $8. Sounds great for us, right? But major players like Chase, Citi, and Bank of America saw their stocks dip immediately. They argue that this would slash their profits. Forcing them to get much stricter with who gets a credit card could mean fewer approvals, especially for those with lower credit scores. They also warn we might see higher interest rates, other fees going up, and even the end of some popular rewards programs. The big question is, will this move actually help consumers? Or will it push people toward even riskier options like payday loans? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Have you ever felt like your credit card interest is just spiraling out of control? Well, there's a new idea floating around that could change everything. A cap on credit card interest rates. So, what would this mean for you? On the one hand, it could save you and millions of others billions of dollars in interest payments. Imagine paying off your debt faster and with less stress. It sounds amazing, right? But hold on, there's another side to this story. For this to happen, banks might tighten up their lending. That means it could become harder for some people to get a credit card in the first place. We might also see a rise in other fees, like annual fees or late payment charges. And those cool perks and rewards programs we all love, they could be scaled back. Right now, this is just a proposal, not a law. Banks haven't jumped on board voluntarily, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on your money. Hey everyone, let's talk about something that affects millions of us: credit card interest. There is a new proposal floating around that could potentially save consumers billions of dollars a year in interest payments. Sounds amazing, right? The idea is to cap the interest rates banks can charge, which would be a huge relief for anyone carrying a balance on their card. But here's the catch. If this proposal passes, banks might become a lot stricter about who they lend money to. They'd likely tighten their lending standards to reduce their risk. This could mean it becomes much harder for people with lower credit scores or less stable incomes to get approved for a credit card in the first place. So, while some would save a lot of money, others could find themselves shut out of the credit market entirely. For now, it's just talk. No laws have been passed, and banks aren't changing their policies yet. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.